You know what's wild? The shirt you're wearing might have taken 700 gallons of water to make. That's like 3 days of showers for just one t-shirt. Fast fashion isn't just cheap, it's costing the planet. Factories dump dyes into rivers, workers get paid almost nothing, and we toss clothes after a few wears like they're paper towels. But here's the flip. People are doing it differently. Thrifting, upcycling, supporting brands that actually care. And it works. Next time you shop, think, do I really need it? Or can I choose better? Small moves, big differences. Follow PlanetWise. We're making sustainability make sense. Make sure to follow our blog at planetwisehub.blogspot.com. Thank you.